Top 5 Amazon KDP niches of the week, episode 6. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, as usual, I'll be giving you the top 5 KDP niches of the week. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Our first niche of today is the baseball score book, and looking at the results is just 102 on Amazon. Now let's take a look at the number of people who are searching for this. I'm going to go to my KDP Spy tool. It's a tool produced by Bookbolt. I've spoken about Bookbolt in the past. One of my favorite tools to use for my Amazon KDP niche research, and I'm using this KDP tool to check for the keywords that people are searching for. How many people are searching for this keyword on Google and Amazon. So talking about Bookbolt and KDP Spy, there are several features that you can use. You can try Bookbolt, link is in the description, and in the future if you want to upgrade you can use the code Make Money Online and my link in the description below. So as you can see right here, it says baseball scorebook, 1,372 people are searching for this on Amazon and 6,600 people are searching for this on Google. Now it's only 102 results on Amazon. That means that there's a whole lot of opportunity for you to grab this niche and upload your book so that you can be one of the first people to benefit from this lucrative niche. So looking on Creative Fabrica, I came across this interior. It is a baseball scorebook interior, 8.5 by 11. Now look at this, it's just 2 people that have added this to favorite. That means that not many people know of this book niche, so it's left for you to grab this opportunity and upload your book as fast as possible. Now it's $3.99 on Creative Fabrica, but you can have access to all the interiors on Creative Fabrica if you grab the $19 a month plan. Actually, it's very economical. It's an economical plan because if you're to be grabbing all the interiors that I've been talking about all along, it's gonna be more than $19 per month. So if you take the $19 a month plan, you have access to all the interiors here. You can download anytime. The second niche is the love coupon book. I found this book interesting because Valentine's Day is coming up in a few weeks. Many people will be searching for something related to Valentine's Day. It's just 1,000 results on Amazon. Now let's take a look at KDP Spy and see how many people are searching for this. So the love coupon book, 562 people are searching for this on Amazon and 720 people are searching for it on Google. But you can also make books for him, can make books for her. Now going to Creative Fabrica, I found an interior that you can make use of. Look at this, 130 people have added this to favorites. That shows you how lucrative the niche is. Many people want to upload a book to it. That should tell you that it's a very hot niche. So it's an 8.25 by 6 inches book, priced at $3.99. And our third niche for today is the Easter alphabet coloring pages for kids. This one is actually, let's go back to Amazon. Easter alphabet coloring pages for kids, 874 results on Amazon. And looking at the KDP Spy tool, 874 results on Amazon. And let's go back to Fabrica. Here's an interior that I found, and it's priced at $2.50. 9 people have added this to favorite. It's a 26-page interior, and it's an 8.5 by 11 inches, no bleed. So Easter is coming up, which you should definitely take advantage of this niche and upload as many books that you can upload to this niche. So our fourth niche of the day is a gratitude journal for kids. This one is the 2021 version. Actually, let's go back to Amazon first. So it's a gratitude journal for kids, 3,000 results on Amazon. And going to Creative Fabrica, here's an interior that I found. For 2,000 people have added this to favorite. And let's take a look at the description. 8.5 by 11 inches. And it has a bunch of description. You can even make use of this description when you're adding it to Amazon. And they have beautiful interiors. Just take a look at this. All right, now let's take a look at KDP Spy. Let's take a look at the keywords that are. Oh, I already searched for this. Okay, now Variety Journal for Kids Bible. 25,000 people are searching for this on Amazon. So it's a definitely great niche to take advantage of. The interior is already on Creative Fabrica. Just grab it, make a book, and upload to KDP. Moving on to our last niche of the day is the self-care planner. 2,000 results on Amazon. I found an interior on Creative Fabrica. 8.5 by 11 inches self-care planner. Beautiful, beautiful interior. As you can see, $3.99 and 23 people have added this to favorite. That shows that it's something that many people want to upload. So you should definitely grab this opportunity and upload it before they do. It's 8.5 by 11, no bleed. So before I wrap this video, I just want to quickly say that these self-care planners, about the self-care planners, I've spoken in my previous video, that you can go to bookbolt and go to the cloud, and there's a category here that you can search for planners. Now I usually come here just to grab inspiration if I'm searching for a design idea or an interior idea. Now when you come to bookbolt, go to the planner. You can move this, but I'm just gonna align. I usually align like this. I'm just gonna click search. No, sorry, I'm gonna change this to planner, and I'm gonna leave it as it is right here, the settings, and I'm just gonna click search. So I usually come here to the planners and see what planners are trending and what kind of designs they are. I like to see the description, what kind of books they're making, everything. I just like to scroll and see what is selling, and if I can make something better. So that's what I usually do. Like I previously said, if you want to check out bookbolt, there's a link in the description. It's a very, very cool tool. Just come here to the tutorials. I encourage you to take a look at it. It has various features. It explains how to use various features. I can't do all the explanation in one video, so I encourage you to grab the free plan and just take a look at it. There's a link in the description. The tutorials will tell you everything you need to know about bookbolt, from the KDP spy tool to KDP categories finder, bookbolt lister, bookbolt designer, mass converter, puzzle ways. I've already spoken about this in previous videos. I don't want to talk about it in this video. I don't want to make the video long. This video is just about the top 5 KDP niches of the week, and that's what I've already done. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to learn more about KDP, print on demand is the channel for you. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.